Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can insert a link on Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to insert a link to this table. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the cell that we want to insert a link, and after that we can click on this plus button. Then there will be several options for us, and since we want to insert a link, we can click on link option right here. Then we can put the label of the link, and for example I'm going to type task link. Then you can put the URL right here, and after that we can click on save to save the link. Okay guys, and now the link has been inserted to this table or this cell, and that's how we can insert a link on Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.